Welcome back guys to the channel. Today we're diving into how to download your bank statements from Wells Fargo. Whether you're tracking your expenses or preparing for tax season, having your statements in handy is essential, so let's get started. First, go to the Wells Fargo homepage. If you're a small business customer, click on Small Business, enter your username and password, then click Go. Next, look for the option labeled Statements and Documents. Click on it to access your Statements option. Then click on Statements and Disclosures. This is where you'll find all of your statement options. Choose the correct account for the drop-down menu. Now find the statement you want to see or download and click on it. Finally, click on the download icon in the top right corner of your screen and save the statement to your device. It's that simple. If you can't see your statements, you may have your delivery preferences to the US mail. To change this, just click on Manage Delivery Preferences and switch to Online Statements. Remember to sign out and sign back in to see the changes. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.